Alright guys, so we are finished cleaning. I haven't really talked to the camera much today, but we are done cleaning. So now we are going to make another smoothie, and I need to go walk the neighborhood for my exercise. And I'm probably gonna do some more exercising. But yes, so beauty room slash office is clean. Oh, I did hang, well, I didn't hang, but Babe hung my pictures, my last two pictures from my wall. I was thinking about putting one right here. I don't know, I have to find a small picture to fit right there because I had a bigger one and it just looked too big. So yes, that's it. So makeup room, office clean, bathroom clean, kitchen clean. Let's go make a smoothie now. Let's go. Hey guys, I am finished with the cleanse. So I am about to drink me some iced coffee. I already made it. It's in the freezer, getting a little extra chilled. But today's gonna be a very chill day. We cleaned yesterday, as you saw. So today is Friday. So I will be finishing up editing my Selena video. That will be out today. But when you guys see this, it would have already been up. So that will be out today. Today is May the, what is today? Today is Friday, May 8th. So it will be up today on the 8th. So yes, today's gonna be chill. We're gonna exercise. About to get this iced coffee going. Get some protein, blueberry pancakes. Tomorrow will be taco breakfast. So yes. So let's finish editing this video and then we'll go grab some coffee. So we are going to pause on editing because babe is actually on a conference call. I did get my coffee. Finally, I ate my breakfast. I had the blueberry protein pancakes. So good. It was so good. Yeah, and I ate a banana with a little bit of turkey bacon. So that's where we're at right now. I am going to continue editing while I put you guys on pause, and then I need to finish searching for my engagement dinner dress. So yes, I will pick back up with you guys in a little bit, probably when I get off at 4. So yes, we got 2 more hours, and then I'll see you back. See you guys in a second. Starbucks too. Let's go clean. So good. Iced coffee. The best ever. So sore. I worked out. I was like, now I gotta clean. And my chin is asleep. Okay. So now we have to clean up this mess. I have a mask on my face and a mask in my hair. So we're gonna clean up everything. Oh, the mask that I have on my face is by Kiehl's, and it is the Avocado Nourishing Mask because my skin has been extremely dry. I broke out in a huge rash on my neck and on my side of my face and right here. I don't know what it was from, probably just the weather, but it had to go. So I'm using the mask because I'm very dry. And then to clear my mask, I used this from First Aid Beauty. This is amazing to clear up. Anywho, that's another conversation. Let's get to cleaning.